Day 4, big spread for breakfast, and now we have a short ride today up to Serra de Oso to another convent, which is in the mountains, which will be nice. Steady uphill all the way there today, which is why it's a short ride. But when we get there, we'll be in the cork forest and we'll have some fun stuff to do.
Oh, granddad, I laughed at all his words. Thought he was a better man.
So leaving town today, there is a giant market where one side is all produce and consumables, the other side's all antiques, which is kind of cool to see.
Love is blind, fights you kind, don't ever let it show. Wish that I knew what I know now. When I was younger, wish that I knew what I know now. When I was stronger,
Today is short for a reason. There's about a little over 3 mile climb up into the Serra de Oso mountains where our hotel is. It's not quite granny gear for 3 miles, but it's pretty close. So if you're on the fence about an e-bike, let this push you over the fence. Most of the days are flat. This day is not.
Love is blind, soon we'll find just a boy again.
So after we descend the mountain, we are going to have lunch at a very traditional Portugal restaurant in town, in Redondo, and then we are going to go on a exploration of a cork forest and learn all about the cork and the cork trees they have here that they distribute all around the world. Our hotel for the day is Convent de São Paulo, which sits on the hill looking over the valley, which is very beautiful. It has 2 pools, a lot to explore, hiking trails all around it, and it is a extremely beautiful hotel, so definitely explore around while you're here.
Water lips, get her cheek, makes you wonder who you are.